Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you some great gentle stretching exercises, particularly if you're a senior or if you're a lady over 50. So these are really simple and easy to do. I'd recommend doing them in the morning, or you can do them in the evening if you just want to calm your nervous system down and get ready for bed. So first things first, I like to stand nice and straight, and I'm just placing my hand onto my tummy and gently breathing in for 3, and I'm just holding that engagement, that core if you like. And now I'm taking my hands and I'm lifting gently upwards and looking up and then coming down. And let's do this 8 times. 2, 3, making sure that your back is nice and straight and you're not too hunched over. Particularly as we get older, we don't tend to use our arms in an upwards motion, so this really does help stretch this out. And one last time, up and down. So now placing one hand on the hip, I'm taking my other hand and arm, and I'm just gently stretching to the side, a really lovely stretch. Let's hold this just for 8 seconds here. And then come back very gently, placing the hand on the hip, the other hand coming along and just taking that arm all the way over the head and stretching the side here. Again, making sure that our core is nice and engaged. Just hold that stretch. Coming back up, and then just shake it out a little bit. Just moving our arms with a very gentle twist, side to side. So let's now just work a little bit on the shoulders. Let's take our shoulders up, go as high as we can up to our head, and then drop them down. Come up, hold, and drop them down. Let's do this 8 times. So that's our third. Lifting the shoulders up, 4th, 5th, 6, 2 more, holding and then dropping, and up and then dropping again. So let's just give a little round in a backwards motion, circular motion with the shoulders here, just loosening everything up. And then let's just come forward. Okay, remembering to make sure that our core is nice and engaged. And then just backwards a couple of times. And place and hold. So let's now work on the head now and the neck. So keeping our back nice and straight, core engaged, we're just very gently lifting upwards and holding that stretch. Obviously, if you have neck issues, please speak to your doctor first. And then come down, and then just look to the side, feeling a nice stretch of the neck. Coming along, and then all the way to the other side. Another great stretch. And again, if you like, just roll the shoulders back. Let's stretch out our hands and our fingers. So I'm taking my hands here, interlocking them and placing them in an outwards motion, and you should feel a stretch here. And just hold this for 8 seconds. And then lift upwards. And again, just hold for 8 seconds. Back nice and straight. And then just gently come down. So let's do a little bit on the legs here. So we're just going to come forward and then just come down with the other leg and just gently lean forward, making sure that our knee doesn't go over to our toes, and you should feel a really great stretch on the calf here. Again, we'll just hold this for 8 seconds. and then just very gently come back up and turn and change leg. So again, one leg in front, slightly bent, the other leg fairly straight. Make sure the toes are pointing the same way, and then just gently lean forward, and you should feel a stretch on your calf. And come up and shake it out. So now for another leg stretch, we're going to just really stretch our toes. So we're just going to come up onto our toes and then come back down. And then just give them a great stretch. Let's do this 8 times. 3, 4, 5. Again, holding in the core, gauging the core. 2 more times. And stretch it out. And if you like, if you want to hold onto a side or a chair for extra balance, just take your point your toes out and just do a little round circular motion. And if you like, if you can stretch your toes out at the same time, and then just a round circular motion on the foot the other way. And then just change legs, coming out, pointing the toes, and then just round circular motions, and then stretching out the toes, and then the other way. And shake it out. So now with our hand, we're just placing our hand out in front of us, placing our thumb down, and then just coming across the body, taking our other hand and just gently holding. Now this is we're holding between the wrist and also the crook of the arm here, the elbow. Just gently stretch out that shoulder here. And on the other side, thumb down, coming forward, taking our hand and just gently pull. And just give us a nice shake out. So that's our gentle exercises, really great stretching routine to do morning or evening, great for women over 50 obviously, and for seniors. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and a thumbs up, and also comment down below, tell me if there's any other exercises you'd like me to share with you, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.